Good morning to all. I am Adithya Girish and I am going to make an immuno boosting recipe of a snack named Healthy Nutritious Kebab, which is highly nutritious, which contains many nutritious things in it. So this is a video of how to prepare that highly nutritious veg kebab. The ingredients needed for this nutritious healthy veg kebab are half cup black eyed peas, then water as per your need, then salt, then half spoon garlic chopped, then mint leaves chopped, then coriander leaves chopped, then half onion chopped, then half spoon red chili powder, then half spoon coriander powder, then half spoon cumin powder, then half spoon garam masala, then half lemon juice. You have to cut only half lemon to take out only half lemon juice. Then half spoon suji. Instead of suji, you can also take brown bread powder. Next, oil as per your quantity. Next is 1 green chili chopped. Take the lobia and wash it with water for 2 times. Then again add the water and soak it for 3 hours. After 3 hours, you will get the lobia in this yellow color. After 3 hours, transfer the black eyed peas into a pressure cooker. Then add half cup water into that pressure cooker. Then add half tablespoon salt in it. Then pressure cook for 4 whistles. Now take out the beans from the pressure cooker and strain off any excess water. Then transfer it to a mixing bowl. Then mash it very well. Into the mashed lobia add 1 green chili chopped. Then add half tablespoon garlic chopped. Then add mint leaves chopped. Then add coriander leaves chopped. Then add half onion chopped. Then add half tablespoon red chili powder. Then add half tablespoon coriander powder. Then add half tablespoon cumin powder. Then add 1/3 tablespoon garam masala. Then add salt as per taste. Then mix the ingredients very well. Then take half lemon and add its juice. Then add 1/4 spoon suji. If you are not having suji, then you can also use brown bread powder. Then again mix it. Grease your hands with oil. Now take the kebab mixture and in your hands make like kebabs or cutlets. You can give it any shape. Like this. Total 2 or 3 kebabs can be made with this mixture quantity. I have made 4 kebabs with this mixture quantity. Then add half tablespoon oil or ghee or butter in the pan. Then put down your cutlets into that pan and fry on low-medium flame. Cook till both the sides are golden brown and crispy. Now your nutritious healthy veg kebab is ready to serve.